Today we are going to learn lesson 4.3, matrix multiplication. So this is just how you multiply different matrices. Alright, so you're first going to want to get your problem. Assuming it has two different matrices, in this case, this one is a 3 by 2, and this one is a 2 by 2. Now the way to check that the easiest way to find out what size it is, besides obviously using your eyes, is to go up from the left to the right. So as you can see, if we were to go up from the left, it's 3, and go over to the right, it's 2. As you can see, 3 by 2. That's how big it is. Same thing for the other one. So pretty much you're going to want to see if they can go into each other, first of all, which you take the inside ones. They're both 2, therefore it will work. Now you're going to want to take the outside ones, put them together to figure out what exactly the answer would be. In this case, the answer would be a 3 by 2. Before we continue, there is one thing that you should probably know. The numbers to the side, like this, when they're going side to side, those are called rows. When they go up and down, like this, those are columns. That's going to help when I actually teach you this. So, labeling your newfound answer, you're going to want to start going with row 1, column 1, which would be the top left. So, as you can see here, row 1, column 1. So, row 1 would be this, and column 1 would be this. And you're going to want to find the sum of that. So, in this case, it would be 2. Now you're going to want to go to row 1, column 2. That is not spelled correctly at all. Can I undo that? I cannot, so I will erase it manually while talking out loud still. So row 1, column, that is still a 1. Row 1, column 2. Remember, it is a column 2, believe it or not. So still row 1, but now it's column 2. So it's the second one. So the sum of this would also be 2. And you're going to want to do that the entire way. So now it would be, I'm going to label these row 2, column 1, row 2, column 2, row 3, column 1, and row 3, column 2. Okay, so it would also be 2 for row 2, column 1. As you can see, row 2, column 1, that would be 2. Row 2, column 2, that would also be 2. Now, row 3, column 1, that, believe it or not, that would also be 2. But this is where it gets tricky. Row 3, column 2, you know what we got here? We got ourselves a 4. And that is basically it. That is how you multiply matrices.